Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn about all the religious festivals of India. India is a land where many religions, cultures, and traditions come together to form its unique identity. In today's video, we will explore all the major religions of India and what makes each of them special. Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama, along with Sita and Lakshman, to Ayodhya after his 14-year exile and victory over the demon king Ravana. Holi is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Falguna. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil. On the first day Holika Dahan takes place and on the second day colors are played with. People apply colors to each other, distribute sweets and enjoy Holi lovingly. This festival gives the message of brotherhood, love and happiness. Dussehra is celebrated in India as the victory of good over evil. This day is celebrated in memory of Lord Rama killing Ravana. It is also called Vijayachami. On this day, effigies of Ravana, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna are burnt. This festival symbolizes the victory of truth, religion and justice. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. He is considered the destroyer of obstacles and the god of auspicious beginnings. On this day, people install the idol of Ganesha and worship him and pray for happiness and prosperity. This festival is a symbol of devotion, faith and enthusiasm. Navratri is celebrated to honor goddess Durga and her 9 forms. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil, especially her triumph over the demon Mahishasur. Devotees observe fasting, prayers, and dance, Garba Dandiya, for 9 nights, seeking strength, wisdom, and blessings. Mahashivratri is a sacred festival dedicated to Lord Shiva. On this day, Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati were married. It is also celebrated in memory of Shiva's dance symbolizing creation, preservation and destruction. Devotees observe fast on this day and stay awake all night. Raksha Bandhan is a festival celebrating the bond of love and protection between brothers and sisters, where the sister ties a rakhi and prays for her brother's long life and happiness, and the brother vows to protect her. Gudi Padwa and Ugadi is the festival of the beginning of the new year and the advent of spring season, which is celebrated with new enthusiasm, prosperity and good wishes. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated to thank the sun god and to pray for happiness and prosperity. Karwa Chauth is a festival where married women fast for the long life and well-being of their husbands. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna, symbolizing the protection of righteousness and the destruction of evil. Makar Sankranti is celebrated to mark the sun's transition into Capricorn and as a harvest festival, symbolizing the arrival of a new season and prosperity. Chhath Puja is celebrated to thank the sun god and Chhati Maiya and to seek their blessings for prosperity, happiness, and good health. Kumbh Mela is celebrated for ritual bathing in sacred rivers to cleanse sins and attain salvation, and it is linked to the mythological story of the churning of the ocean for nectar. Vasant Panchami is celebrated to worship goddess Saraswati, the deity of knowledge, wisdom, and arts, and marks the arrival of the spring season. Ram Navami is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Rama, symbolizing righteousness, truth, and an ideal way of life. Baisakhi is celebrated as a harvest festival and as the anniversary of the formation of the Khalsa Panth for Sikhs. Guru Purnima is celebrated to honor and express gratitude to one's gurus and teachers, and it also marks the birth anniversary of sage Ved Vyas. Nag Panchami is celebrated to worship serpent deities and seek their blessings for happiness, prosperity, and protection. Rath Yatra is celebrated as the chariot procession of Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra, and Subhadra, giving devotees the opportunity to see and receive their blessings. Govardhan Puja is celebrated in remembrance of Lord Krishna lifting the Govardhan hill to protect the villagers from the wrath of Lord Indra. Bihu is Assam's harvest and New Year festival, celebrated with joy, dance, songs, and prosperity. Hanuman Jayanti is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Hanuman, who symbolizes strength, devotion, and courage. Eid is celebrated after the month of Ramadan to thank Allah and to share joy and brotherhood. Muharram marks the beginning of the Islamic New Year and commemorates the martyrdom of Imam Hussain at Karbala, symbolizing the sacrifice for truth and justice. Christmas is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ, who symbolizes love, peace, and compassion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.